Good morning, Richa. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Good morning. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your time with us. Thank you. I am really, really glad to have you here. And it's been wonderful working with you, Richa. People I have with me, Richa Bhake. She's based in Gujarat, but she has a diverse background and diverse cultures and traveled across India. And she's also working as a coach, and she's a personal excellence coach, a beautiful human being by nature. And she's been practicing NLP with us from last 3 months with us. And it's been amazing having you, Richa, in the entire platform. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I actually really, really would be grateful for you to share your experience in as natural way as you would like to, for people to know how has been your experience and to get started.
Yeah, I actually had been waiting for this to happen, for you to, maybe have some kind of communication where I can give you what change I have experienced through this course. And even if you hadn't asked me, I would have still sent you a video like this. So here I am. And actually, I sat down and made a list of things that have changed for me. So when I came to you, I told you very frankly, Ridhima, everything is available online. Whatever you can teach me, it's all there online. And I've been watching the videos. But you know what happened for me when I worked with you, Ridhima, is that one, you helped me understand the nitty gritties, the small details that matter, every process in everything that we do, plus the kind of support you gave me, the kind of hand holding you did for me. Like, I'm sending you messages 10 in the night, like I had a session, this didn't work, so what did I do wrong, and you grasp it quickly, like, so this is the thing, try this. And then the next day I had this huge aha moment. So that has worked wonders for me. And I have a laundry list of things that, I have helped myself, my family, my friends, and my, clients with. So there are people who came with personal issues, health issues, they have had, breakthroughs there. Then small things like decision making, I'm not progressing in my career, I'm an entrepreneur, I want to increase my appetite for taking risks. And maybe I go to this end, but here something happens and I'm not able to make that, leap, something like that. So all these range of things, people have found resolution with, at least in my, community, people I have worked with. So that is there. Plus normal interpersonal skills. My, a close friend of mine with her mother-in-law, so that situation changed. And some of, I have been working with other friends also, and training them a little bit about stuff. So as I could see, there are a couple of trainers in a batch also. I could see that their offering in the training world has also become richer because of, the things that we learned in the sessions. So that, so many applications, I mean, you can keep on talking about it all day long, really.
Wow, wow, wonderful. It's so rich to hear your experience and the way the entire community you are, sending this process which you have learned and utilizing this process at an application level and using it with your community and creating this change work as a process in itself. So thank you so much to create this change work in your community, whether big or small, doesn't matter. And I always remember one line when I was discussing long back in the year 2018 with 2019 with John Grinder about some specific client I worked with. And he said that, I said, this is a small thing which I did. And he mentioned that it's a snowball effect. The small thing would actually matters the
Hmm.
most.
Hmm.
Then it would start creating the change and the change and the change and then the change. And I still remember the way he said it and the
Hmm.
way he looked at me was just awesome. So thank you so much again, Richa,
Absolutely.
on that. Thank you so
May
much.
I also add one more thing, Ridhima?
Sure, go ahead. It's
Yeah.
your.
So one thing I loved about one thing I loved about working with you is also that you're a first generation John Grinder trainer. Like, you know, usually what happens is there is a system, and then somebody has trained, and then somebody has trained, and somebody has trained, and somebody has. So in the hierarchy, you're somewhere here, like, fourth or fifth or tenth in the process transmission. And I feel so lucky that I am learning from a first generation John Grinder trainer. Like, like you're actually, like, when we are having a practice sessions, you are in a practice session John Grinder himself. So
Wow.
anything that comes from him, it gets directly translated to us.
So, yep, I really thank the NLP Academy and all my three trainers, John Grinder, Michael Carroll, and Carmen Bostic,
Yeah,
St. Clair, and I love them a lot. Because I've seen them giving
I
us,
love them too.
yeah,
I'm in love with
yeah.
Carmen.
Exactly, because the
Yeah,
way they have given us, is in a quite open, transparent, and they give us in a discovery format, in a self discovery format.
yeah.
Yeah. How did you like the provocation and making people uncomfortable in
Yes,
the
they do.
classes?
And
How did you like that?
I love that. I love that. And I used to be uncomfortable, making people uncomfortable. I used to take it very personally as well.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm in a space that it's just like a game. It just flows. Like everything is for a reason, and something like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's interesting. You are in a coaching work also, Richa. You are coaching a lot of people. And this is a very generic question which people come and ask me. If I have to ask you, how would you define for people who do not know NLP as yet? How would you define people NLP
Yeah.
for them? What is NLP for them?
Okay. Um, so what I can say, what I usually also tell other people,
Mm-hmm.
one, coaching, I think people don't know what coaching is either. Coaching as opposed to counseling. So in a coaching format, the coach does not give you the answers, but they are equipped with specific tools to help you elicit your own answers. And when the answers are coming from you, where the issues are, they're more congruent to your issue,
Mm-hmm.
and you're
Yeah.
more motivated to act on the solutions. So it's
Uh-huh.
in your own ecology, it's in your own environment, and you're more comfortable doing it. So that is the job of a coach, that we just have the tools to bring that out from you. Yeah. And NLP, so NLP, the wonderful, beautiful thing that NLP is, very simply, which is doing a lot of injustice to what it is, but still, so the way our brain is wired dictates what we do and say.
Mm-hmm.
And then experts found out the other way is also possible. So these experts, they found out a system to make the other way possible, where we can use our body and our language to change the way we think.
Mm-hmm.
So, completely rewire ourselves. So
Mm-hmm.
NLP is essentially doing that.
Uh-huh. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. Thank you so much, Richa. People who are hearing this, Richa is a beautiful coach. And Richa, the way you have shown the dedication and commitment towards learning NLP and the entire processes, tools, and utilized in your real life. That's why I always tell people to utilize in your real life.
Hmm.
People, Richa has utilized these
Yeah.
things in real life. If you have a coach who has utilized things in her real life, of course, you would like to go to her. She's the go to coach to you all. Thank you so much, Richa. I really appreciate your efforts which you have put in. And I look forward to see you in the repeated courses which is coming up in the December, and it's already started. The November one is already
Yeah.
started. December is already going to come. So thank you so much. I look forward to see you more and more in different sessions. As you know that we keep giving you more and more. You can do the revisions as well. And
Yes, we do.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
you can apply it with your own clients who are coming to you in your community, and the way you are changing the world around you. You're doing amazing work. Thank you so much. Keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. And yes, practice is everything. If I have to put one word
Yes.
for Richa, she's just like, you know, when she came to me, she was like a little close, like a caterpillar, adjusting some here and there. And now she's like a butterfly and, you know, flying in colors. And she goes into the one flower, you know, gives some beautiful things over there, then goes into the other flower, and then goes to the other flower. And she just keep giving it now. And the way you're transforming your family is beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Wonderful having you.
I'm also able to take compliments better now. I'm also able to take compliments better now.
That's interesting. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think it's
Yeah.
everything. The way you you know, people take criticism is the way people also can take compliments. Both sides. Both sides are equally important.
Hmm.
And you know,
Hmm.
you
Yes,
appreciate yourself
I
that
agree.
yes, I'm good, then I can do more. So yeah, that's there. I can see that. Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much for inspiring others. People, you can reach out to Richa on Richa Bhake Instagram. I would be adding her at Instagram handle, and reach out to her, learn also from her, and speak to her. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much, Richa, darling. Bye.